Hey guys, Dirt and Rest here. Got a pocket full of pocket knives to show you, and we'll start off with this old cattleman's knife here. It's got the spear point here and the swedge going into it with the long nail nick there. This is an Imperial Prov right here. Jigged bone scales. Got the sheep's foot here. Really a nice old knife. Got this pin knife here, equal end, stainless steel cutlery, I believe. I'll try to show a close-up picture of that. Got these nice green scales. This one is a Schrade Cut Co. Walden, New York. This is a Whittler Pin Knife there. Coping blade. Swell center. One of my favorite knives right here that I have. Got this little lock back Pakistan knife here. It's just a cool looking little knife. Look at all these pins it's got going through it. It's a ton. Victorinox Soldier. Spear point blade is the main blade. These scales are called Inox scales. Got this Imperial Stockman. IMP14L. It's got cracked ice scales on it. Might be celluloid or something called Zytel, I think. We got a sampling knife. Tomato sampling knife here with a serrated edge, and this cuts through tomatoes really nicely. Definitely has a little fork here. And it's an Italian maker. I think it's Cem-Maniago. Klein tools. Electrician's knife. Got the hawk bill. The spear point. Got this screwdriver that locks in with the liner lock. It's a cool one. Got this key fob knife. It's an oldie. Got a nice snap for how old it is. Let's see if I can read the name on there. I'll show a close-up picture of that name. Decorative key fob. This equal in pin pocket knife here. This is old, probably from the 20s or 30s. Celluloid handles. Still got a good snap to it. It's a cool one. The scales are cool. It's a the scales have scales. And lastly, we got a fixed blade here. This is Kia Nomad 303, made in Japan, Kia Japan, I believe. Got the Jimp. What do they call it? Jimping or gimping? I forgot now. This handle is a laminated Pakka wood, I believe. It's a really knife. It's a really nice, like, hunting knife. I mean, it feels good in your hand. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.